like me. Yeah, nice. Thanks for that. Hi guys, Tav here, hope you're all well. Good to see you again. On this video, I want to have a little bit of fun. Now, very often when we do these things, it's all focused on what it's like from the point of view of the driver, that driving experience, what it's like to sit inside the cabin, access to the pedal, steering wheel, visibility, and that sensation of speed. But one often overlooked element in these things is the passenger, the person who has to put up with our driving. So in this video, I want to look at it from the point of view of the passenger, what it's like to sit inside that cabin of the 570S and the sensation of speed that you get. And in order to do that, we're going to need a passenger and we're going to have to go for a drive. So let's do that. And we're rolling. So just out in the 570S at the moment on a little excursion. An essential excursion to a supermarket known as Costco. And with me I have Hannah. Hello Hannah.
Hello.
How are you doing? All right?
I'm very well, thank you.
Excellent. And I should add that the heating in this car is currently turned up to the max because it's a very, very cold winter's day. And a surprise in this car is that it has seat warmers. You wouldn't expect that in a car like this, would you?
I'm very glad that it does.
So, in this video I just want to kind of give a bit of insight into what this car is like for passengers to be in. And the road's being quite slippery at this time of year. I would imagine it's probably quite a lot of fun. Just not that much fun. A bit scary at times. So you're excited about going to Costco?
I can't wait to go to Costco.
Is it going to blow your mind?
My weekly adventure.
It is, it's very exciting. The things that we get up to, right, these days. It's a combination of being at home, going for a walk, being at home, going for a walk, and then maybe going to a supermarket for some essentials. So, come here often?
I try not to.
You try not to? Thanks. Oh, very kind. Is it that bad? Just had to pump the tyres up in this because I had that tyre pressure warning going, like the clappers. And it was only in fact only 2 bar down from where it should have been. So it's obviously very fussy, very sensitive. Like me. Yeah, nice, thanks for that. It's nice to have somebody who's sensitive, right? In touch with their feminine side. You've been laughing at some of the stuff I've been saying. How much have I paid you for that?
I can't disclose for tax reasons.
Okay, fair enough. Very slippy indeed. We could be in an accident. Fingers crossed we're not. So you spoke a little bit about this car as a passenger. What is the passenger experience like in a 570S?
I think it probably depends who you're driving.
So my driving's probably awful, right? Is that what you're getting at here?
Not at all. No, I'm quite comfortable.
Just a little bit.
I'm glad there's a bum warmer and I can stretch my feet out.
Yeah. Plenty of legroom, right?
Yeah.
Plenty of headroom.
Although, quite difficult to get out of in the dresser heels.
Well, I mean,
Last time I tried that, I headbutted the door, which was
I have that problem.
stylish.
I have that problem as well when I'm dressed up for special occasions. But yeah, I think it's pretty comfortable, really, isn't it? It's not too.
Have you ever been the passenger?
In this one, no, but in others I have, yeah. But yeah, it's perfectly. You can kind of live with it, really. It's not too firm, the ride, which is the problem in most. And I think, as you say, it's all down to the driver, right? Somebody who's wildly unpredictable. What's this guy doing? Yeah, somebody who's wildly unpredictable, unlike myself, boring and dull.
Yeah.
There's a Lambo. Gallardo, nice. Getting old now, those.
Still pretty though.
Yeah, they're great cars. Probably hold their value a little bit better than this as well. I didn't just say that. I found. Oh, it's excited, isn't it? They're not on at the moment. Would you like me to create heat in your nether regions?
Heat.
That sounds so wrong, doesn't it? Wow, I just said that, didn't I? Okay, let's get your heated seat on.
Q for Macca's.
Q for McDonald's, yep. It's because that's literally all there is to do right now, is sit at home, go for a walk, and eat food. Going to McDonald's has actually become a national outing now, hasn't it?
I bet the queues will be around the block tomorrow.
The romantic Valentine's Big Mac.
Valentine's drive-through.
Absolutely, yeah. He's probably right there. Oh yeah, I wonder how dark it is on film. Probably pretty. There you go. There's a bit more light on it.
I'm sure that's a really flattering line.
Oh, it will be. I mean, anything with you and it's flattering.
Sure.
It's me that's the problem. I need 6 hours of post-processing and 5 hours of makeup before I even get in front of the camera. So, would you buy one?
Yeah, I think so.
You think you would?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Short and sweet.
What do you like about it?
I think that I quite like the brand, the image of the brand.
Yeah.
It's kind of understated. It's not in your face flashy.
Like a Lambo.
Exactly. But then I would still have a Lambo. So
You have a Lambo, yeah.
I'm also contradicting myself.
I'm not sure I ever would have a Lambo, if I'm honest. I think it's just a bit too much for me. I don't quite have the personality to back one up. I think that's where I'd fall over with a Lambo.
The car would drive you rather than drive.
Yeah. Another thing with this car in the winter is the ceramic brakes.
Is that what the noise is?
Very noisy, yeah. It sounds like the pads are worn out. They haven't. It's well maintained, I can assure you that. But yeah, they make a big rubbing noise in cold weather. It's just a known thing. Do I make a big rubbing noise in cold weather? The noise could be coming out of me. I mean, it probably is coming out.
Music comes out of you. Sometimes a bit like being in the fun.
It is, isn't it? Thanks very much for watching. Take care. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. And bye-bye for now.